Welcome to the All About You fashion show. My name's Diane Flores. I am the owner over at Venus Fitness Studio here in Modesto, and I founded this awesome little space in 2007. We started as a pole dancing studio. Yes, you heard me right. And we've evolved into a personal training studio. These women you're about to see today form into small groups of 4, usually several times a week for an hour, to be taken through some weight training exercises by a personal trainer. And it is one of the best hours of their day. At least that's what we hear. Now, they come in for different reasons. Some of these women you're going to see today have come in because they wanted to lose weight. They thought they needed to tone up or gain some strength. But the things that are happening behind the scenes that they did not expect is that they were rebuilding themselves. They're increasing their confidence, their self-belief, their self-worth, their self-esteem, and sometimes a revenge body. Hard wink. We work on bringing these women to the awareness that if they move themselves from back burner bitches to front burner bitches, everybody that is touched in their lives is going to improve by them simply raising their vibration in the world to being badass bitches. These women span from early 30s to late 50s, with most of them in their 40s. They range from lifestyle clients who just come in, want to feel good, look great, to competitors who take it all the way to a bodybuilding stage in a sparkly bikini no bigger than an eye patch. You'll see one later. These are real women, many of them just like you here in this audience, who were sick and tired of being sick and tired, and they did something about it. They inspire me daily. They inspire my team. And I hope that by watching this show, they inspire you to take action with your own health and fitness, no matter what that is. I'm going to give you a selfish plug here because you gotta come follow us. You're going to see these women continuing their journey over on Instagram, and your social media feed will be inspired by an account that actually gives a shit about women in the community. Head on over to Instagram. That's right, y'all. Pull out your phone. Go follow Venus Fitness Studio. And while you're there, come follow me, Diane Flores, IFBB Pro. Let's be friends, and let's make this community of bad bitches in Modesto that much stronger. Let's put our hands together and applaud these women who are brave for getting out here, getting on stage, being vulnerable, doing the damn thing, and the goddesses of the All About You fashion show. Enjoy the show.